jump today.
Protecting our seas, definitely no easy task for our elite naval divers. That's why we have them. And right now, let's give you a short video on the type of training they go through. Have a look.
Elite naval divers are not only warriors of the deep, but also masters of the sea, air, and land.
Today's jump gives us a rare chance to see an operational capability by the naval divers. It allows silent and covert entry into hard-to-access areas.
Our divers are jumping with a full combat load, over 60 kg of weapons and equipment.
For today, our elite naval divers are led by First Warrant Officer Lim Chi Seng.
Our divers are now in a stack flying formation, which requires precise flying and coordination. It is no mean feat given the wind and weather.
That's right, Abby. Not only that, they also have to land in a specific area smaller than the powder. To land in this small area requires a high degree of skill by the divers. Once in the drop zone, the divers have to quickly release their parachutes and get ready for the mission.
Today, the naval divers are adopting a combat landing formation, where all 7 divers will land together at almost the same time. This team landing concept is used by special forces to land together and move on to the next mission phase quickly.
So people here at the Padang and Marina Bay, if you can hear this, there is a way to welcome our elite naval divers as they make their landing at the bay. When the last diver enters, all of us here at the Padang and Marina Bay, we give a loud hoo-yah! Can we try on 3 together? 1, 2, 3, hoo-yah!
Wow, that's really loud, but I think we can try it one more time, even louder.
With people at Marina Bay as well. 1, 2, 3, hoo-yah! So in a while, the cameras will zoom in on our elite naval divers. The moment the last one enters, don't forget the cheer. We just taught you. They can definitely hear you.
We want to give them the applause and the shouts and all the cheers that they deserve the moment they land safely. In the meantime, take it all in. Look at this spectacular view. It's not every day that we get to see this happen, you guys.
I agree, Sonia. So take as many photos and videos as you want. Go ahead, now's the time.
Any moment now, I think our first elite naval diver will be entering the bay. So let's be on standby for that cheer we taught you. Hoo-yah! Those times the people over at Marina Bay, they are getting a first-class view of our elite naval divers. Here we go!
Alright, people, get ready. Give them the biggest welcome home that they deserve in just a few seconds.
Sonia, earlier you said jump ability.
Yeah.
We don't just have our naval divers. Ladies and gentlemen, look up, the Red Lions are up!
Woo! That's right, our fearless Red Lions have just jumped from the RSAF C-130 from an altitude of 10,000 feet.
wanted to be the Red Lion.
Don't worry, Abby. We got you covered. You're gonna live your dream in just a while, okay?
Now, watch the bomb burst, ladies and gentlemen. And there they go!
Beautiful. And during the free fall, they descend at a speed of 195 kilometers per hour, guys. Can you imagine how fast that is?
Alright, you guys, as you know, this is a yearly tradition. It always happens, okay? What's gonna happen is Abby is gonna pretend to be a red lion today.
Oh my God!
And
Thank you.
we're gonna teach you how to do the cheer to welcome them home.
All right, on Abby, everyone.
So Abby's going to come in. Here we go. He comes in and we go. Whoa. And when he lands,
we go.
yeah. Exactly. So one more time to familiarize yourself and change the cheer. So here we go. Are you ready, Abby? And you come in. Whoa. And land.
Yeah.
But turn on. Dancing red lion. This one.
Get ready, everyone.
Once again, remember to be super duper loud later on. They practiced so much for this moment and made us so proud as Singapore.
I mean, now that we have our red lines in the air, thanking the powers that be for clear skies and great weather, enjoy this moment, ladies and gentlemen, here for Preview 1 for NDP.
And in the meantime, maybe I thought I'd just share some little fun facts for you guys, alright? Do you know that the Red Lions have a long history of performing jumps at the NDP? The commanders have been actively involved in parachute displays since 1970. When they made their first appearance on NDP 30 years ago as the Singapore parachute team, they soon became a key highlight of NDP.
You know what, guys? I think everyone is getting a little soft. Okay? We gotta go louder. Padang, Marina Bay. They can see you. They can hear you. Take your thunder sticks out and roar as one as we welcome our Red Lions now. Come on, let's keep the energy going as you soak it all in.
Alrighty, yellow sector, I believe they're coming in from your side. You guys are the first people they see.
And let's go, Yellow Sector!
Anytime now, we're going to introduce them one by one. Remember, cheer as loud as you can. We want to hear you.
Okay, first up, we have Master Warrant Officer, Chu-In Sing, Team Leader with 1,080 guns. Come on! Right up, we have First Warrant Officer, Melvin Chan with 935 guns. Marina Bay, right up, you know what you gotta do!
Next up, we have Second Warrant Officer Lee Kian Yong with 526 jumps. Let's go, Padang!
are my Red Lions. They deserve our fullest respect, and not forgetting our elite naval divers as well.
UCF 96 Padang, make some noise!
Ladies and gentlemen, with the Red Lions here at the Padang and our naval divers there at the Marina Bay. Let's give a round of applause.
The Republic of Singapore Navy's elite naval divers